If you've ever thrown anything before, pushed anything, which is all of us, you should have a good idea of the answer to this question. If I threw both of these frisbees, a heavy one and a light one, which one would fly further? Hopefully you said the light one. Newton's second law talks about how things will speed up based on the mass, or how heavy they are, and the force that you apply with your applied force. So let's take some notes. Newton's second law says that acceleration, which means speed, is produced or made when a force is applied to a mass. We often, in high school especially, will see this equation. Force equals mass times acceleration. You won't need to use that to calculate anything anytime soon, but it's good to know that as the mass increases, the force will increase too, or as something speeds up, you also need to increase your force. So let's take a look at two examples. Let's say we have a big object, a massive object, and a tiny object. Both of them have an applied force of 2 newtons. The big object won't go very far, but the small or less massive object will go even further. And remember, we're talking about mass here and not volume. There's only one case where this wouldn't happen, and that's if you're on a ramp. If you push a big old something down a ramp, that's the only case when it would actually go further because it has more inertia acting on it. So for our next set of diagrams, you're going to draw a more massive ball on a ramp and a smaller ball on a ramp. The more massive one will actually go further, and the less massive one won't go as far. Generally though, the bigger something is, the less distance it will go. The less heavy something is, the more distance it will go. Good luck with your practice today.